Welcome viewers. Our discussion today would be on the recovery of Outlook PST file passwords. The PST password recovery is essential when the user has forgotten or lost the password but needs to access data from the PST file. Another case is when a user gets a protected PST file but do not know its password. We introduce a reliable and efficient Outlook password recovery tool, known as Kernel Outlook Password Recovery, to recover PST file password within a few clicks. Let's understand the tool better with its working procedure. First, download and install the free version of the Kernel Outlook Password Recovery tool by visiting the link. Now suppose you need to recover the password from Outlook 2019 PST file. Launch the install tool. On the welcome screen, click on the Add Files option and add the protected Outlook PST file from the system drive. You can add multiple PST files too. After the PST file is added, click on Recover Password button to perform instant password recovery. On the next screen, you would view the recovered PST file password, using which you can open and view PST file. Save the report to CSV file format if you want. This advanced tool works for all Outlook versions and performs additional functions like removing PST file password and setting a new password for the PST. Get all details and information about the Kernel Outlook Password Recovery tool at given link. Thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.